This is Carlos Pichardo, your home sold guarantee or I'll buy it with Cap Real Estate. If you're like most homeowners, you have two primary considerations in mind when you start looking for a home. First, you want to find a home that perfectly meets your needs and desires. And secondly, you want to purchase this home for the lowest possible price. When you analyze those successful home buyers who have been able to purchase the home they want for thousands of dollars below a seller's asking price, some common denominators emerge. While the negotiating skills of your agent are important, there are three additional key factors that must come into play long before you ever submit an offer. This topic has been the subject of extensive analysis by industry experts, and a summary of their findings and a specific step-by-step purchase plan for homebuyers can be found in a new special report called Homebuyers Have to Save Thousands of Dollars When You Buy. This free report outlines the psychology of how a seller sets their asking price and gives you 3 simple steps to follow before you even set foot in a seller's home, which will help you to successfully slash thousands of dollars off the price of the home you want. Get your free special report now by clicking on the link below to find out how you can save thousands of dollars when you buy a home. Should you find that reading this report triggers any questions pertaining to your unique real estate situation and needs, please feel free to call me at 571-748-7360 for further information and advice. Of course, there is never any obligation when you call. This is Carlos Pichardo, your home sold guarantee or I'll buy it with Cap Real Estate.